In this video, you will learn how to get a car dealer license in Michigan. Choose the dealer license type. Decide what kind of dealership you want to operate. This could be a new, used, wholesale or broker, as Michigan offers different license types for each different person. Establish a business location. Secure a permanent business site that meets the Michigan Department of State or MDOS requirements. Include an office, display area and business signage. Register your business entity. File your business name and structure, such as an LLC or corporation, with the Michigan Department of Licensing or Regulatory Affairs, or LARA. Obtain a bond and insurance. Provide a $10,000 bond for used dealers and proof of liability insurance as required by Michigan law. Complete the application and fingerprinting. Fill out the Michigan Vehicle Dealer Licensing application. Submit your fingerprint background check for all owners or partners. Submit documents and pay the fee. Send your completed application, required documents, and fees to the Michigan Department of State, then wait for approval. Now you know. Now you know how to get a car dealer license in Michigan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.